Hello geeks, welcome to another video of Code with Web. Today we are gonna dig another Android penetration tool called Droid Hunter. We have already covered Androbugs framework which serve the same purpose. If you have not seen that video, go and watch. I will put an I button here. For today's session, we are gonna start with the Droid Hunter downloading and see what's more functionality we can get with the Droid Hunter. And the very first thing would be you have to just open your Firefox, and the name of the tool is Droid Hunter. So in the search bar just type Droid, after that Hunter, hit enter. So just go with the first result that is associated with the github.com. Now this is our tool. You can download it from here or you can just git clone it. I have already downloaded this tool in my system, so I'm not going to download it again. I will just show you where I have downloaded it. So in my download section, here it is the Droid Hunter, and after downloading this Droid Hunter in your system, you have to just run a few of the commands here. So open this Droid Hunter. After that, open this part in the terminal. I'm gonna put ls here so that I can see the files clearly, and here we have install.sh. so type /install.sh, hit enter here, and it will install all the necessary files that is required to run this Droid Hunter actually. So you can see here successfully installed HTML table and all this thing, colorize and all these things. Okay, so if you just go through the manual, okay, let me show you again. In the Firefox, you have seen here, if you just go through the manual, you can manually install this gem install HTML table and colorize. If you don't wanna manually install it, you can just run that shell file. Now we will see the procedure how to use this Droid Hunter on any one of the APK file. So in order to perform our analysis or decompiling procedure or everything on any of the APK file, what you have to write dhunter, and after that -a, that is for analysis, and then you have to give the path of that your APK file on which you want to perform your analysis. Okay, so it's in the root, and I think it's in the download section, and the name of the file is, let me check, the name of the file is primenet.apk. so primenet.apk. so I have one of the APK file. It's a malicious file in my download section, so I have given the path of that particular file, and the command would be dhunter -a and the path along with the name of the APK file. After that, hit enter. And you can see analysis has been started. Now the analysis part is over and the report has been generated. Clear the screen. I will just put ls here, and here we have our report. Okay, so what I will do, I will just open it manually so that I can show you very clearly what's inside the folder. So it was in the download section, and here is our Droid Hunter, and here we got two files. So let me open this folder first. So okay, here it's internally it's using APK tool. That's why you get another folder by the name of APK tool, and I'm damn sure it consists all of your decompiled file, all the classes and everything, along with your XML. So let me open this XML file, and it's the same one, and you can see what are the permissions that this APK will ask for. So it will read the phone state, location and everything. Okay, so let me close this part. So it means that with this Droid Hunter you will get the functionality of decompiling also, and what other things we will get with this Droid Hunter. There is another file in the HTML format. Let's open this one and let's see what does it say. Okay, so again it's giving me all the information related to the app permission, and we have our XML manifest file, and it's talking about the vulnerabilities also. So it's not pretty good like our Android bugs, but it's good. You get the information about the vulnerability here and all the permissions and the manifest file. So you get a pretty security analysis here and the decompiling procedure also. If you want to use it separately, so you can use the APK tool and Androbugs, but you want all this functionality combined together, then you can use this Droid Hunter. I won't put any personal remark of mine for this Droid Hunter tool. You can just use it and you will get to know. So as the same I have told for Androbugs, you can download one of the malicious file from the internet and just apply this Droid Hunter tool on that malicious file and check what are the information that you can collect from that. Okay, so I think this video is pretty much informative for you. If you're satisfied with the information, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any kind of confusion, don't forget to put your confusion in the comment box. I will surely help. So we will meet in the next video with another tool. Till then, stay curious, stay protected.